Very good morning, guys. Okay, last class where we are pending, we're just pending with token generation. Yeah. So actually, for a token generation, we failed that action yesterday when we tried to send a mail. We failed. Actually, registration is done, but what failed? Mail sending failed. Registration completed. What failed is mail sending got failed. I'll show you. Hold on. We'll try again. Afterwards, we'll just go with the token generation. Yeah. Have a look. This is our table. Right now, there's no user account. Let us put a breakpoint in the register. Okay. So click register, enter the user, password. Click on the register. Say model state is valid. Yes. Identity user account is created. And create async was succeeded. See there, create async. It got succeeded, guys. Come and see. This is succeeded, but initially email confirmed value is 0. Now, when it succeeded, what are we doing? We are just generating a token here for email generation. Last class I explained you. You need to generate a token. Here it is failing. Actually, it is failing here. See, are you clear? So action failed at the token generation. So insert operation was successful. That thing failed in creating the user. Creating user was successful only. Just a minute. Delete from ASP users. Okay. So now, how to generate this token? Actually, to generate the token, we need to register a token provider. We need to register the token provider service. See, as you learned, every service should be registered first. Without registering, you cannot consume the services. So the token provider service has to be registered. Until and unless you do that, it doesn't work to you. Okay, see. To send mails from Gmail account, first you need to go to manage your Google account, and here we need to generate an app password. Already explained in the last class. It generates you an app password, and we used app password in the code already. Next, to generate token for email confirmation, changing a mail, reset password. For everything, we have a token now. Okay, we need to register a default token provider in by calling add default token provider method under startup.cs file in ASP.NET Core 5.0 and program.cs file in ASP.NET Core 6.0 and above. Okay, how do you call that? Okay, if you're working on 5.0, you required right. You called add identity na? Array add identity. There we called add entity framework. There you need to add another thing. What? Add default token provider. That's it. Okay, if you're working on 6.0 and above, you know where to write. Yeah, have a look, guys. Come on. Where we should use it, go to program.cs file. Yes, add, we called it na, just add default token providers. This is a method, watch it call. If I call this, automatically it is going to generate you the token for you in this case now. So this will take the responsibility of generating the tokens. See, after doing all the above changes, whenever a new user registers, then an email is generated and sent to a registered email with a mail confirmation link that contains an email confirmation token and user ID. Okay, token is a unique ID value that is generated for email confirmation, change email and change password to identify the user when he clicks on the link. Okay, come on. Now we will rerun the application again and see the registration. Now token is generated now. So mail should gen. So now also insert will be successful, token will be generated and mail also will be generated. All actions will be done now. Register. Click register. See there, model state is valid. Next, identity user is created. Now, create a sync. Creation is success. Come and see here. Got it? But what is the email confirmed value? 0. Now, it is success. Now, token is generated. See, no error. Anywhere you got error there only. It generated one token value. See. Alphanumeric string, a token value. Second one is you use user ID also here. What is user ID? Is the user ID. This is the 32-bit alphanumeric string. Okay. So now it will generate you an email confirmation link. Watch it, guys. The link will use the schema, the HTTPS protocol, and will generate you a URL. Just a second. Guys, watch. It is automatically taken the domain name now. Account is the controller. Confirm email is the action method concatenated with user ID and the token, everything. And this will be in our email. This link will be in our email now. Okay. What happened to this? Yeah. Send mail. Mail sent. Afterwards, you can check. Email confirmation link. A confirm email link has been sent to your registered mail. Click on it to confirm. Click on it to confirm the things. Is that clear? Come on. Now let us open our Gmail. Oh, no. It opened you the support account. It should open my account because the email ID is my email ID, right? Check that. Check there, you got a mail now. Email confirmation link. Click on it and see. Hello, the name. Click on the link below to confirm your email. The link is there. Below that, regards customer support. Now, if I click on this link now, it will go to the confirm email action method. We did not define it still. So that's why we should get a 404 error. We'll get an error. The page was not found. The page was not found. Why? Because we did not define the method still. We did not define the method. HTTP error 404 error is coming. Okay, we'll define the method now. So we are done with one step, guys. What's it? Sending email is done. Okay, now with this email, with this user account, can I log in? No, you can't. Why? Your email is not confirmed. Verify. Login. Password wrong here, I think. 1024. Okay. Gmail.com came up. Email is not confirmed. Is it clear? So next time when I come here, this action should work. Are you clear? Next time when I come here, this action should click. Where after I write the method. Which method? Confirm email. So let's write the confirm email method. That is all about registration. Yeah, this is mail sending code. And this is login code. This is logout. And now here we'll send code for confirm email. Okay. So let me write a confirm email method for you in this case now. How to write a confirm email, we'll see. Let me copy paste the code, then I'll explain you. What's here? What is the method name? And now it is going to have two parameters to it. What are the two parameters? User ID, token. You're bringing the user ID and token. Yeah, the URL contains the two query strings with the same name, user ID token. The two values will come here. Now tell me if these two values are missing now. If these two values are missing, any of the value, either user ID missing or token value missing, that is invalid link. Yes or not? Okay, watch. See my first condition. I'm coming to else part now. Showing you. Either ID is missing or token is missing. Calling you. Last class I showed you. I created a chart page to display all the messages for you. Okay, that is the same page I'm using. When both any of these things are null, both are not null. Both are not null means both are valid now. Okay. Now the URL contains ID now. With this ID, can I call the method find by ID async? Yesterday I thought you find by name async. I said you find by ID async, find by name async, find by email async. We have all the methods. Now I'm calling. What am I passing? I will get the user now. Okay. User not equal to null means the given user ID is correct. The user ID is tampered. The user ID is tampered now. That's not existing now. It is not existing. What did it show you? Invalid user ID. User which is present in confirm email link is invalid. Okay now? No. User is existing. User is existing. Okay then. Now call this method. What is it? When you call this method, it will immediately change the confirm email value as 1 in the database. It is 0, it will change to 1. 1 means active. Active means it is a true value what is going to be changed now. Okay. and now returns you a result. Result is succeeded. Result is succeeded. What do you do? Email confirmation is successful. You can now log in into the application. No need to open the login page. The login link is present on the top now. You can go and click on the login and display the message. If any errors are there, what am I doing? I'm just going to string builder. I am combining all the errors, and finally I'm sending the error detail to multiple errors can be there. 1 error, 2 errors. That's way. What I'm doing, I use a string builder. I appended all the errors, and after appending all the errors, just simply taking you to display message to show the messages now. Okay, let's put a breakpoint, guys. Let's put a breakpoint. Now the code is ready. Okay, run. Now let us run our confirm email code now. Sorry, let us click on the confirm email. If I click on it, now everything is valid data there, so it immediately confirm. Okay, let me do you one thing. What? Let's go to the mail. Why it went to other account again? Changed out the account. Yeah, guys, let me copy this link. Pasting the link here. Right now, this link is all having valid values. Correct now? It has all the valid values. We'll tamper this. We'll try to tamper this one now. So what are you going to tamper? I will see the IDC, AAAD is the same thing what you saw in your database. See? That's only will come there. I'm tampering this. I'm just giving a wrong value. Are you clear? So I tampered the ID, guys. So this is wrong value, right? Now come on. Enter this URL in the browser address bar and hit the enter key. And when you hit the enter key, see there, it is hitting the confirm email method now. Now see, are they null? No, they are not null. See, your ID comes here and token comes here now. They are not null, so comes inside. Now find by ID async will fail. Find by ID async will fail. Why? ID is tampered. So check. Array, there is no one existing with that ID now. So it is null. So goes to check. Invalid user ID. And now it is going to display you the message. What? Clear or not? That's invalid email ID now. Oh, sorry, that is invalid user ID now. Okay. So one more time. Now we will tamper token. Let's tamper the token now. Some token ID, some character I deleted in the token. I tampered the token now. Okay, again. Is user ID valid? Yes. So it will find the user ID and user now. See that? User got back. Okay. And now it will go to confirm email, but this action will fail. Why? Token is tampered. Invalid token. So comes to the else part. How many errors are there? It will going to pick all the errors and it is going to build and show you the message. One error only, so showed you invalid token. Is that clear, guys? Yes or not? So there is only one error, so showing you as invalid token in that particular place now. If all these values are correct, nothing is tampered, then it has to activate my mail now. Yes or not? No need of copying from there. Directly come here and click on this here, enough. You click on this link, enough. Shall I click? So click on the link now. See, hitting now. See, token is correct or not? So because token is correct, the result should be succeeded. Check it out. Email confirmation is success. You can now log in into the application. Click on login and fill your credentials. Click login. Check it out. Login worked. Go to the database and verify. Execute. Email is confirmed. So like this, actually, you can have mobile number confirmations also. Mobile number confirm. I cannot show you that because for generating this OTPs and all, we need third-party services. Directly, I cannot just give you that one. If you want to generate a OTP, you need to depend upon some third-party provider, paid services they are. Okay, we cannot send messages easily like this. They're all paid services we need to use. But same way, just like I showed you for email confirmation, you have options for mobile number confirmation also. You have options for mobile number confirmation also. Okay, this how to send this generate OTPs and send. Not possible. I can't show you in the classroom, but I have in the YouTube videos there. I posted a video. I posted some videos on some important topics like how to generate PDF documents with the data. You got some data from the database and you want to send a PDF to user. How to create a PDF. How to create a PDF to code. It will create a PDF to code and send. That is one video available in the YouTube. I have one video on captcha generation. Captcha. How do you get the captcha? How captcha generation will be there? I have video on the captcha generation. I have video on this SMS sending. All these things I just posted some videos on the YouTube. You can just go through the appropriate videos. How you can just generate captcha. One thing you can see the video, but you cannot see that you cannot test it. What you cannot test? OTP generation videos cannot be, OTP generation code cannot be tested. But captcha generation, PDF generation, all this code works. Okay, OTP, why I'm telling you? Because according to the Troy, you cannot send off an email directly. Compulsory, you require a message provider for that. You're required to pay for them. You're required to take the licensing from them. And there are a lot of process involved there. Okay, so that's way you cannot test it, but just to understand, you can just watch the video. You can just watch these particular videos. Okay, captcha, OTPs, as well as PDF generations. All the things have videos posted. Fine. So now we are confirming the email now, and the email account, email is a confirmed email ID. So what the guarantee now? This email ID belongs to this user now. Yes or not? Same way, mobile numbers can also be done. Next we'll see how to change password. Reset a password. How to reset a password. Guys, what is the process of resetting a password? Generally, in the login page, we'll have a link. What link? Forgot password. Click to reset. Yes or not? When you click on the button, it will open a page to you, and it will ask you. What it will ask you? Enter your user ID or user name. Enter your username or whatever is unique, name or email, something. Mainly user ID. So once you enter the user ID, it will pick my email and it will send me a mail to that account. It will send me a mail to that particular account. Okay, now I can go click on the link. The rest of the process is the same like what I shown you right now. Yes or not? So let us fill it one by one. So what I want first, in the login page, in the bottom, I just want to have it. We forgot to remove this back to list. This link should be removed off, and we need to add a link for forgot password. Are you clear? A forgot password link has to be added up. Yeah, implementing the password reset functionality. Implementing the password reset functionality. In the login, guys, I am now providing two links. One is register link also. Forgot password. In the login page, the register link also will be there. Am I correct or not? So login. Yeah, forgot to remove this. What I'm putting, see, one div, new user, click to register. Forget password, click to reset. So both these two links will be present on my page now. Login. Check it, guys. New user. It'll open your registration form now. Okay. And forgot password. Click to reset. When you click on this, it's calling an action method. We did not write that still now. So it is taking an action method called forgot password. Okay. So that is our first step. So watch it. Step 1. Add this code now. Step 2. You need a model class now. Why? Array, you are going to open a new page now for entering the user ID. For entering the user ID. So for that, I'm just going to define a model now. Only with the attribute. What is it? Name. And don't forget, whatever restrictions are there for username there, all restrictions should apply here again now. Array, what are the restrictions for username? Only uppercase, lowercase alphabets, 0 to 9, and 5 special characters. What are 5? Hyphen, decimal, underscore, @ and plus. Only these are allowed. Yes or not? So I just require to define a regular expression. Display name is your name, and this is a required field. So this is the simple model. Only one property. That's all. So what is the model name? Change password model. It is a change password model. So come to model class. Sorry, model folder. Add a class here. Change password model. How many properties? One only. Just one property. That's all. Don't forget to import system dot component model dot data annotations. Already imported, see automatically. When I copy pasted, it imported. Okay. Now this model is ready. What next? You need two methods: get method, post method. Get method to launch the view, post method to send the mail. Array, get method should launch the view, post method should send the mail now. Okay. Go to account controller. Mailing code. This is confirm mail. It's completed. What next? Change password. Fine. Now, public view result. What is the name, guys? Here we put the name now. Forgot password. Forgot password. Return. Now you're called right. HTTP post public async task of I action result forgot password change password model. We'll get error for the time being. The reason is async doesn't have await and all the things. Okay, we'll fix it. Not an issue. We'll fix the things. So now see what you're doing. Go to account controller and write the below action method there. Okay, this is a action method, what you're defining. We have done it already. Next, this one. What are you passing? Forgot password model. Forgot password model. Guys, tell me what should happen in this code. What should happen? First, create a view. First, create the view. Right click, add view, raster view. Or template, create template, model class. First one, change password model, add. Build errors. Comment this. Build it on your own first. Somewhere there is an error. Oh, end region is missing. Error is not this, guys. End region is missing. Okay, guys. Delete this. Next. What is the button? Submit only. Value is equals to reset primary. Come below, and here we have a backlink. Delete that. Okay. Now on the click of it, where we come to? Post action. We come to the forgot password, post action. Guys, have a look. Array, in forgot password also, your code is same like the previous. What is it? You are required to send a mail now. Forgot password also, mail also be sent now. Okay. So observe it. What is the code? First. Second, finding the user by the name. Array, the user is valid only, send a mail. Otherwise, no name now. Now. Second, email confirmed. That also should be true. User should be valid user. User should be confirmed. Then only email will be confirmed. Then only I'll send all these things. Your email is not confirmed. Then what is the point of sending a mail to your email account now? Separate testing should be done. What is it? User should be valid, and the email should already be confirmed. If both these two are okay, then only this option becomes valid. Next. What token? Earlier, generate email confirm token async. Now, same way, tomorrow if you want to change an email, you want to change your email ID officially. For that also, generate email, change email token async is there. Generate change email token async is also there for changing the email if required. Okay. Next. Remember this one? What? That is the action method you're going to write. Account controller, user ID, token. Last parameter. That will take care of the protocol, domain names, and all. You did not write anywhere those. The protocol name, domain name, all it will take, and it will build you a perfect URL. It will build you a perfect URL for it. Next. Change password link. Change password link has been sent to our mail. Click on it and change password. Click on the link and change the password now. If anything wrong, then Change password mail generation failed. Either the username you entered is invalid or your email is not confirmed. Anything could be the reason. I don't know. Okay. And return, it will display you the things. So now let us try this option. Okay, forgot. We still require to write this method. This method. And we don't require to write this method. Why? Already we have written yesterday, I have written the method in generalized format, remember? And there I used the if condition also, if you recollect. Change password should come as a subject now. Are you clear? Subjects will change for you based on this. Okay. Let us run this. Go to login. There you have option. What? Forgot password? Click to reset. When you click on that, you guys observe unterminated regular expression error. Now for validation, it's giving a regular expression error. Is a model. Something got removed off here. Not copied properly, I think. Should come here. Okay. Just a minute. Square brace should come here and should end here. Yeah. They're missing. Yeah. Start here. End here. Here in the notes also it's missing. No, it's correctly here, but there after plus it should be. Copy pasted, maybe we made a mistake. Yeah. The star indicates must be existing. Mandatory. Star is to tell like any of these things are going to be mandatory there. Okay. Dollar caret symbol are not required. I already said your regular expression, we don't require to give that. Dollar caret. They're automatically taken up. Yeah. Here enter the username. Click on the submit. I'm entering wrong user ID, guys. Wrong user ID, it is not. If the mail ID is not confirmed also, it doesn't work. Okay. How can we test that? Just example. Update ASP.NET users set email confirmed is equals to 0. Just I'm manually modifying. We'll just change it again. My override is correct only now. Email was not confirmed. So both of them will not allow the action to be completed now. So let me make it 1. Now see submit. Click on it and change the password. Go to your Gmail. So we should have 2 mails present there now. Already one mail, we just got it earlier. Subjects are different. See, this email confirmation link, this is change password link. And come here, click on the link below to reset your password. Okay now? Fine. Guys, when you're writing this action method. Which action method? You have taken two parameters for that. User ID, but now you had four parameters. What for? User ID, token, and the two passwords here. Enter the new password. That also will be there now. Yes or not? And here, it's only one method you write, but there you should write two methods. Why? You click on the confirm email, it opened another window for you. Directly it confirmed and shown you confirmation is completed. But when you click on the change password, it has to open one UI with the two text boxes to enter the new password and confirm new password. Two text boxes also will come now. This that has two steps, get and post. But here we don't have one step only, get to, that's all. Only one request. We did not write two confirm email methods. How many? One only. I did not write get separately post. But now for change password, I require to write two methods. One is for get, one is for post. Get should launch me the view now with the two text boxes. Finally, all this information should go to post. All the information means for post, how many values should go? 4 values. So better we'll do one thing. We'll define one anyhow. To design this also, we need a model class now. We need a model class now. Let us define a model class with 4 attributes. What are the 4? User ID, token, new password, confirm password. New password is a confirm password. With all the 4 attributes, let me define you a new model class now first. Models, add a class, give some name. Reset password model is the name I'm giving. Come on. The number of attributes are, I missed one more. Have a look, guys. First one, second, third, and confirm password. Confirm password. So I used some annotations on it. Anyhow, password has the built-in annotations for it now, and confirm password should match with the password. That's it. So these are the annotations. So I want it. Now let me generate a model class. Let me generate a let me write the 2 methods now. Get method, post method. For what? For changing the password. Change password. Okay. So come to account controller. Just a minute, guys. We completed change password here. This is a forgot password. Let me name it as forgot password. Or simply let's call it as password reset. Under that only I'm writing you both the 2 methods. Public view result. For the name, change password. Simply return view. Come here. Public async. Post I'll write. Forgot. Task I action result change password. For the model, reset password model. We'll change the code for the time being. We say return view, and here write HTTP post. HTTP post. First, the view should launch. Correct now? Right click, add view, razor view, create model class, reset password model, add. Now remember, it will generate you 4 text boxes to you. Correct or not? Why, sir? 4 attributes are there for. But you want 4 text boxes, huh? You want only 2 text boxes. You want only 2 text boxes. You don't want the 4 text boxes here. Why you don't want 4 text boxes? Why I require for user ID password? I don't require for token and user ID. I don't require. They're going to come from the link. I need to read them from the URL. I need to read them from the URL. Okay, I'll tell you how to do. First, let me remove unnecessary things here. Change password, and in the bottom also delete this link. Watch it, all of you. Look at this one. These two divs. One for your ID, one for it will give you two text boxes and you to enter. Why will I enter? Why will I enter? I'm not going to enter the values. Where the values are? In the URL. You need to read it from the query string, request.query, and you need to read the appropriate values. Okay? How to read the values? Recollect. Go to the top. Any block here, just a block. It's a Razer block. In a Razer block, I'm writing the code. What? Already in the previous example, I shown you once already this one. Context.request query of and context.request query of token. Okay. Now, first delete these two things now. I don't want them. Are you clear? Delete both of them. Just deleting. Now come to form tag and pass it. ASP hyphen route hyphen user ID is equals to @ user ID ASP hyphen route hyphen token is equals to @ token. Oh, spelling mistake here. @ token. So now the model class will receive all the 4 values. It will receive you all the 4 values. 2 are coming as the routes, 2 are coming in the form of text boxes. Whatever it is, everything goes to the model class there. All values will go to the model class. Okay. So again, submit and add another text box also for a reset. A reset. Oh, no. We require to click on the email link. We need to click on the email link. When I click on the change password, listen, when you click on the change password, what should happen? The view should launch. Okay, just click on the change password, the view launched. Now I'm entering some Raju @1234 @1234. I did not write the code for post still. You remember? We did not write the post code still. Just only left it like this. Just want to show you. It will hit you and bring you all the values. That's all. Click on the submit button. That's what I want to show you. That's all. All the values came here now. Yes or not? Now inside of it, you write the logic like your previous code now. First check a token valid or not. User ID existing or not. If all these are okay, just like you called a method for confirm, now you will call a method for password change password async. It will change the password. Once change is completed, give him a message. Your password has been reset. Yeah, we'll fill the code. See, this code is as same as the code what we written earlier. Yeah. What you require to do, guys? You require to go and add this to in the Razer block now to read the query string values, And finally, you need to add them as routes here. We need to add them as a route here. So automatically all these values will come into my view. Will come into my action method within the model. Okay. So what is missing? Yeah, this postcode is missing. Let me paste it and explain you. Watch, guys. First line, you know that model state is valid. Not valid, return view and open the same model. Okay. Now model state is valid. Find by ID async. User not equal to null. Existing. If it is equal to null, the same conditions I explained you before. No user exists with a given user ID. Next. If user is valid, then call the method. What is the method? Earlier we called confirm email async. Now change password async. What are we passing? The user, the token, and the password. The user, token, and the password. Sir, confirm password. No need to confirm password. Why you want confirm password? Confirm password is only for client-side validation. That's completed now. Okay. User, the model, the token, and the password. You're passing all these three. It succeeded. Reset password is success, and your password has been reset successfully. Otherwise, showing the results. Otherwise, showing the error message back again. Okay. So let us try this, guys. Now click on the link. Open. My old password is Raju at the rate 1024. Now I'm writing Raju at the rate 1234. 1234. Click on submit. Did not put a breakpoint. The password has been reset successfully. Your password changed now. And come back to the application, guys. Click on login. Click login. Invalid login credentials because my password is changed. So Raju at the rate 1234 and click on login. Login is success. Is that clear? Okay. So I just shown you how to perform a registration, how to perform login, how to do authorization, authentication, authorization, because our methods of the customer will not open all now. What will open? Display customers. Display customer will open. Add, update, delete will not open without an authentication now. We saw authorization. Next step. We have seen how to confirm in email. Same way we can confirm mobiles also with an OTPs. We have seen how to confirm how to change a password. Are you clear? So all the login functionalities are just provided for you in the application for changing the passwords or whatever it is. What next? When I click on the login, I'm just getting a login option here to login. So this is a login and this is a forms authentication, correct? Yes or not? So there's an application login. Application login in the sense, basically you're logging using forms authentication. Same way I want to log in by using a Facebook authentication now. I want to log in by using a Google authentication now. I want to log in by using a Facebook or a Google authentication. If that is the case, that option should be available on screen now. I need to show the options to a user now. For login by using forms authentication or by login using Google or Facebook authentication. Okay, I will redesign this a little bit differently. Actually, guys, in Bootstrap, the screen, actually your full screen is divided into, it's a tabular format. It's a table basically, and it is basically going to have 12 columns. The screen size is divided into 12 columns now. So right now, the 12 column size, if I don't specify anything, you consume all the 12 column. See now, the line is coming to full size now. It's a 12 column. I want to break it up into 6 columns. 6 columns for forms authentication. The next 6 columns for open authentication. Is it clear? So we need to just change this now. Where? Login. I need to change in the login. Login.cshtml. Come here. Look at this. Okay. Right now, if you just observe this one, login.cshtml. Oh, minimized it. Okay. Yeah, right now, if you see, this div is consuming only 4 columns. What is that? Watchman. See there, the text box is not coming to 12 column size now. So make it 6. If I don't specify anything there, column MD, basically column MD is to tell the number of columns you want. See, this is a row. Understand, this is a row. And this is column. And this is to tell the number of cells you want to consume now. I said 6 now. With half screen, you will get a text box now. Check. You want text box bigger than the previous size now? Yes or not? If I say 12, I'll get a text box to full size screen now. Just a minute, guys. We have a problem in the classroom. Ananda. Okay. You can watch the text box is the full screen size now. 12 cells. So basically, Bootstrap divides the screen into a table, row, column, rows, a table, rows, and all. And right now, every row will have 12 cells. So right now, it is taking you 12 cells. All the 12 cells it is taking. Okay. So we'll modify that now. So guys, what did I do? I'll show the code. Just watch the output first. log in with six cells. What did I put there? NIT account or Google or Facebook. I divide into separate things. See, here the line is broken here. 6 cells, 6 cells. And here you are giving NIT account. If you want to log in by using NIT account, see, you want to log in into Amazon. You can log in by using Amazon account, or you can log in by using Google or Facebook account now. That will I'm showing you. Log in with, how you want to log in? You want to log in with an NIT account, or you want to log in with a Facebook or a Google account? Are you clear? So here we have, I did not change that here, that is the same old code only. But what I added is the right hand side. So let me show you what did I do in my application. See, what did I do first? I made it 6. I made this div as 6. So consuming only 6 cells now. In that, what I added newly? NIT account and a HR. So the HR is only for 6 cells only now. And this all code is same old code. I did not change there. What I done is only, I made this 6 and I added these 2. Okay. Now, second div. Column MD6. What do you have? Google or Facebook, HR. Again, form action, 2 submit buttons. One is Google and one is Facebook. Both of them I'm setting the BTN primary. And we have a name here. Name. What is this name? Guys, in HTML classes, your teacher have taught you this one, remember? If multiple radio buttons are present on the screen, how do you group them? By giving a name. You have 10 radio buttons, 5 under one group, 5 under one group. So what do you do? For the first 5, you will give one name. Second 5, you will give one name. Okay. Now you can select only one from the first 5 and one from only the second 5. Am I correct? Yes or not? Suppose in the first 5, I selected the third radio button. In the first 5, I selected the third radio button. The value of the third radio button will be submitted to server now. In the next 5, I selected second radio button. The value of the second radio button is submitted to the server. Correct? Same technique only applied here also. Watch it, see. I given the same name. What is the name? Any name you like here. Value. If I click on the first button, it will supply Google to the server. If I click on the second button, it will supply Facebook to the server. Did you understand my point or not? If I click on the first one, it will submit what? Google. And if I click on the second, it will submit what? Facebook. So tomorrow, if you are planning to add a Microsoft authentication also, or a Twitter authentication, you can add a new button now. Provider is same. Now write what? Twitter. Write here as Twitter now. Now also say provider is same, name is same for all. Name is same. What is changing? The value is changing. When I click on this, it will send you Google to the server. If I click on this, it will send you Facebook to the server. If I click on this, it will send you Twitter to the server. But all these 3 are calling the same URL only. Watch it. What is the action method it is calling? See? That is an action method I did not define still. That's why I got the error. All 3 are calling the same method only. Watch it. External login. And this method, if you try defining the code of this particular method now, this will bring you the value to the server and tells you whether user clicked on Google or Facebook or Twitter. Okay. Now we are just designing only for Google and Facebook. Okay. What to do? See guys, if you want to use a Google authentication, there are some terms and conditions first. Your application should be registered under Google or Facebook. Once after the registration is completed, then only this application can be used there. Anyone cannot simply come up and use of Google authentication application. No. Why will Google give you that option to you? So Google will give you the option provided you register your application under the Google now. Same way, Facebook also will give you when you register your application on the Facebook. So when these applications are registered under Google and Facebook, what happens now? Automatically, Google will give you the appropriate options to you. Okay. So to use the Google authentication. So if you want to use the Google authentication or Facebook authentication, the first important thing you all should remember is you need to first register these applications under Google or under Facebook based on what is the option you are providing. Okay, how to register, sir? I'll show you. I'll show you how to register. Here are the detailed steps to register under Google and to register under Facebook. For both the two things I just given you in detail for here. Yeah, I'll tell you guys. We'll just talk about that one. How to register. Guys, a small notice for all the job guaranteed students. For all the job guaranteed students, guys. See, from tomorrow 7:30, morning 7:30, you have special coding classes. Not like coding classes. Any clarifications or anything, any doubts or clarifications. So Shrikant will be taking you the classes. Anyhow, 9 o'clock you have Angular classes by Shrikant. So before that, you will be having the Shrikant classes for this. This will complete up in the next week. Yeah. We are done. We are done almost. Okay, once we are done with this, I'll show you hosting. Implement this hosting, web API code. What we have is web API code and how to integrate Angular into the .NET application. We're done maximum next week. We are finished with this. Okay. So from tomorrow, from tomorrow 7:30 morning, building Manjira, 4th floor. Okay. All your doubt clarifications and everything. Angular class also will be there on it seems. Again, no need to move here and there. Okay. Okay, guys. Yeah. Actually, you observe here, you just observe here. Here, basically, you're calling these two buttons are the form tag. What are the method they are calling? External login. And there is a return URL also. What is the return URL? This return URL already explained you guys. Watch it. Here also on the top, Yesterday only I explained you na. From add customer, if you click, again it has to bring you to add customer now. So return URL is required here also. See, you selected add customer, your login page open. After login page, you went to Facebook login now. Or Google login. You go to Facebook or Google, but return URL is mandatory for both now. So that's why here also we taken return URL, and this is going to call login. This is a separate form I used here. What is calling? This is login. This is external login. For one thing common for both now, return URL. Okay, we need to write this external login method in our code. And in the external login method, we are going to read the value by using the name of this. I'll show you the registration process and all in the next session. Just hash region, external login providers, hash and region. What is the method, guys? Sorry. External login. What are the two parameters I'm using here? This only is it. The provider will bring you whether user clicked on Facebook or Google or whatever it is. So put your mouse there and run the code. Now tell me, I'm directly going to log in. So do I have a return URL? Tell me, I don't have a return URL. I clicked on Facebook. Don't look at that code at all. User clicked on Facebook now. Okay. Well, this will throw you error now because we did not register and all the things. Now go to customer. Go to add customer. Okay. Now do you have a return URL? Yes or not? I'm clicking on Google. Whatever you click. Now see. Google. Are you clear? So we brought to the appropriate action method. Which method? I'm not talking anything about these 3 lines of code because before I explain you, the first thing I should show you is how to register our application under Facebook and Google. First, I'll show you in Google, Facebook, then we'll come and implement the logic here. Okay, let's stop here. We'll see that tomorrow.